Hey YouTube, it's Justin, aka Demonic Sweaters, here with another Alesis Nitro Mesh video. A lot of you guys have been asking for me to make another video on the Alesis Nitro Mesh, so here it is. So anyway, I've owned this kit for just about a year now. I can't believe time went by so fast, and I thought I would update you guys on my thoughts after owning this drum set for about a year. Now, number one, I still do believe that this is the best deal for electronic drums that you can buy today. The amount of features and quality of this drum set is virtually unmatched by any other electronic drum set in its price range. I would go so far as to say that even drums that are a little bit more expensive, like some of the Yamaha drum sets that are around $700-800, I still believe the Alesis Nitro Mesh beats them out in a lot of ways. Number one, you have mesh pads. Number two, the module actually has a lot of features that aren't mentioned in the manual, and I went over those in some other videos. Number three, it's extremely durable. I've been playing this set for a year now. I teach on it now as well at home here since I've been teaching online during quarantine. A lot of my students take lessons online, so I've been teaching with it. And I'll go over how I've been using that in lessons as well. Number four is expandability. As you can see, I have an extra crash cymbal on the side there. I've also moved my snare pad over to my Tom 2 position so I can use that as a ride on the rim. And then I have Tom 2. I just keep my snare sound as one single snare sound. Number five, customability. I've programmed my own custom kits in this thing, and I really like the sound of the drums. I hardly ever use the USB interface, actually. I know a lot of people like to use Easy Drummer and things like that to replace the drum sounds, but I find the drum sounds in the Alesis Nitro Mesh to be perfectly usable. I have no problems with them. In fact, I've released an EP called Sandra's Bullock, I'll post a link to it down below, that I use this drum set, the internal sounds on the whole EP. And I've been recording some new stuff as well, using the internal sounds on here. Now, I don't use the preset sounds, I program my own kits, but it's not hard to do, and to me, I just find it to be much easier and kind of like get more of a consistent performance if I'm using the built-in sounds as opposed to using external MIDI control. The only thing that I've ever actually replaced on the set is the kick drum pedal. I'm using my PDP kick drum pedal, but that wasn't because the Alesis pedal wasn't good. The only reason why I switched to using this pedal and use my Alesis pedal when I travel is because the Alesis pedal actually folds up and it fits in my trap case a little bit better than my PDP does. My PDP has a base plate, and so it seems to be a little bit better on the electronic drums, and I actually take my Alesis pedal to gigs. Overall, I've had absolutely no problems whatsoever with this kit. Everything works just as good as it did when I bought it 1 year ago. And I play quite a bit. If you follow my channel, you can see all the different music I've made with these drums, all the different lessons I've made with it, and as I said before, I'm actually teaching with these drums right now, and the way that I'm using this drum set for online lessons is actually really good. So what I'm doing is I'm using the mono output, the 1/4 inch output, and I'm running into channel 1 of my audio interface. And then I run a microphone into channel 2 of my audio interface and run those both into Skype or Google Duo or Zoom or whichever app I'm using. Some of my students like to use one, other ones like to use the other. But whichever app I'm using, since I'm just using 2 inputs on my audio interface, then I can run both the drum sound and my voice into a chat app, and I'm able to teach online really well this way, and my students can hear my drums as well as me talking. I actually think this is probably far superior to trying to use an acoustic drum set in online lessons. So overall, is the Alesis Nitro Mesh worth buying in 2020? Absolutely. I highly recommend this drum set. If you want to pick one up, I'll post a link down below, and I just can't say enough good things about it. It's been one of the best purchases I've ever made. As far as drums go, since especially now that I'm stuck inside. I live in Brooklyn, New York, so we're still quarantined here as of May 11th, 2020. And so I've been inside my apartment since March, and thank God I have these drums for a lot of reasons. One, I'd be out of work if I didn't have them. Two, it gives me something to do. I can play the drums, and I've been playing a lot of guitar too. If you watch my channel, you've seen a lot of that. But, having these things here has basically kept me from going insane, which is really nice. So yes, I highly recommend the Alesis Nitro Mesh. Now to close out the video, I'm going to provide you guys with some playing like I always do. And if you haven't pulled the trigger on one of these yet, just go for it. You're not going to regret it. Some of the questions I get pretty often is how to program custom kits. If you go through my other videos, I have a playlist down below of all my Alesis Nitro Mesh videos, and I talk about how to program the kits in there. as well as a lot of the other questions that I keep getting asked over and over again. I most likely made a video about it already, so just check those other videos. If there's something that I haven't talked about yet and you ask a question down below, I will do my best to answer it. Anyway, so here we go with some drum playing. I'm going to go through some of my custom sets and just give you guys some samples of what my kit sounds like.